See, the seal's completely mangled. Now this is all nice and lubed up. So this is freely coming off. You know what? Don't know if you can see there. They are the bearings. I can see the seal's completely mangled. So still got to get this off. So now we're going to remove this ring. It should be fairly easy. We can go from the other side and just knock it out. We'll go with a long screwdriver and a hammer. So here comes the big problem, which is this. I'm going to try heat it up. I've already sprayed it with some GT85 and I'm just going to keep hammering at it, and hopefully with some persistence it will come off. It's an awkward position because how it is. So yeah, I don't want to damage this, so let's give it a go.